the big bail. I'm like, oh, hell yeah.
I thought you had a skipjack on. I was excited. It's right in his mouth. He ate it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's in the top of his lip, you guys. All right, everybody, we are down here on the Ohio River in a little creek mouth. Some of you guys may be familiar with that follow the channel, but chasing skipjack. We are going to try to catch some skipjack and get these things prepared for the catfish season. It is spring, and that's what we're after. We actually took the boat out this morning, lost both anchors on snags. It's way too windy, so that is why we're here now. Since we don't have any more anchor rope, trying to get on some good bait. Gizzard shad just isn't working. So white bass and skipjack is target species. For those that have been following along with the channel, you know that. But super windy out here today. It is ridiculous. It's hurricane season. I don't know if you can hear that wind noise or not, but it is just windy, super windy out here. We'll start casting and see what we can't get on. Same rig as usual. Little curly tail jig. And a curly tail jig with a pink. So the top one's tungsten. It's a little bit heavier. But if they're here, we are going to catch them. It's that time. So maybe as the evening rolls on, the wind will calm down and the bite will pick up. But I'm here, I'm looking. Oh, we got a fish on, guys. We just hooked up. Medium tackle. There he is. Oh, look at that. Man. Look at this. Is this a white bass or a hybrid?
This is striper.
That is... Okay, so how I identify these is the white bass will have 3 distinct lines going straight to the tail, and the white bass will only have 1 line going to the tail. But check that guy out. Right on the current seam. Alright, so there he is, guys. I'm not sure if it's a hybrid or a white bass, but he's big. But he does have a double tooth patch in his mouth. He's a really good size, and I'm happy to have him. Not a skipjack, but good first fish. All right, let's get this jumbo back in the water. Man, he's fat. Look, eggs coming out. So that's a spawning fish. Try to get on another one of those. All right, guys, it is definitely too windy, so we're gonna take some cover and hit the creek over here. Try to replicate what we just did, hopefully with our target species, skipjack. Still can't seem to get on any. There is reports of people catching a bunch down here, but later in the evening. It is still early in the day, but we'll take cover and see what we can't do over here. All right, we're at spot number 2, where it's definitely blocked from the wind. So that's a plus. Looked like the water was down in the creek a little bit, but we'll see if these fish have moved up over in here yet. It's getting a little later in the day, so maybe that'll help us out. I'll tie on some more pink jig heads. Maybe a darker bait, maybe a lighter jig, curly tail jig. Try to get on another one. Here it is. Back at the glory hole. We didn't do so good here last time, but yeah, this water is way down. They've been pulling a lot of water. It's worth a shot. Yeah, we got one on the board. A little white bass. Not a skipjack, but tug on the line. I might move on down to the mouth here in a minute. We'll fish up here a little bit and head on down.
Yeah.
Dad just hooked up and he's fishing on top of this tree out in the middle of the creek. What do you got? I'm trying, it's muddy. Oh, I'm trying. There we go. Is it a big old carp?
Yeah, I thought it was a damn fish.
Oh, wow. It is, it's a big old common.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get down there and land him.
Down here?
Somewhere, yeah. It's gonna be hard.
Yeah, oh my God, all the odds of me up here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, shit. I thought it was a big bear. I'm like, oh, hell yeah.
I thought you had a skipjack on. I was excited. It's right in his mouth. He ate it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Thought it was a
It's
fish.
in the top of his lip, you guys. This carp ate this jig. There's a beaver slide right here.
I seen that.
I got my mud boots on, so.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this.
I think we wore out.
Look at this beaver lodge
I know
up in here. It's exactly what that is.
he ain't that wore out.
Yeah, they're tough fighting fish. Now, if you can just get him over here.
He's gonna come over a little farther. I can't.
Oh.
I thought it was a bass the way he hit it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get down in here and get him. It is muddy.
I know, I'm gonna bring him
I'm hanging on to this beaver thing. Nope. I just sank in a beaver hole. I've got solid footing right here. All right, there he is. If I can just grab the line. You got 10-pound test on there.
Okay.
Nope. He said no.
Yeah, it is. He.
If I can get him by the tail, we can get him in here.
Oh, he is strong.
Yeah, they are. They are very strong. Oh, he's coming up behind me. Here we go. I might be able to get him. Yeah,
Hey, the damn bass.
I've got him.
Wow.
Look at that.
Right in the, yeah, he ate it.
I've never seen a common eat a jig head, but you guys see that's right in the top of his lip. Now,
Now you gotta get
I gotta get him out of here.
Yeah.
All right, go back the way I came.
Okay, I'm gonna let some drag out with you, okay?
Okay. There he is. Dad's common carp he caught from a tree. He is bleeding a little bit, but it's a good size one. I can't believe you caught him in the mouth.
Yeah, I know.
I usually just snag them. Yeah, we'll get this guy back in the river.
Yeah. You got your boots on.
Yeah, I'll get down there and put him in. Oh, there he goes. He swam off healthy. All right, that's gonna do it for today. We come down here just to check the water. Still ain't ready yet. As you guys know, I've been on my quest for the skipjack run. We did manage a really big white bass. I do believe it was a white bass.
A couple little small.
Yeah, Dad caught a couple small white bass. Water isn't still quite ready yet, but we're getting there. We'll give it a few weeks. We're probably gonna get out here on the boat and definitely get on these fish. Gotta load up on skipjack. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.